Hi, I'm Urja Gupta and I welcome everyone in today's video. So many students are oblivious about the process and criteria to study abroad. In today's video, we're going to discuss the step-by-step process to study abroad. So the first and foremost concern students have is which country to choose for. You may seek few factors for this like climatic conditions, cost of living. It totally depends on your standard of living, part-time work hours and many more. Now you should choose the course that suits your interest the best. And then compare your course from universities to universities depending on university ranking, course structure, scholarships and many more. And all of this information is available on the university website itself. While wondering and trying to make the best decision, so now is the time to consult with experts. We Sathi Education are here for you. We will tell you about the study loans, we help you in choosing your best course, best university and will prepare you for the test. There are many English language proficiency tests which are depends on country to country. There is IELTS, TOEFL, GMAT, SAT, PTE and many more. So mainly there are two tests, IELTS and TOEFL. In IELTS you need 6.5 bands and in TOEFL you need 80. Before starting the whole process, you should take a look on college applications and check the deadlines. By now, you have shortlisted the universities and applied for them. One thing to keep in mind, more application fee. So finalize the universities with the experts. Also, few universities conduct interviews, so you should practice and prepare a set of questions to be prepared. Next step is scholarship. All the details regarding scholarship is available on university websites. And the final step is student visa. Once you submit your application to immigration services, they have the authority to grant or deny the application. Once your application is granted, you are good to go. I hope this information helped you, and for more questions or concerns, please comment down below. We will be reaching you soon.